Guys, I'm Gyaneshwar and I'm security enthusiast since 1 year onwards, and like I started a YouTube channel, and based on my friends' suggestions and responses, like I thought of making a video starting with what CTFs are and what challenges do those contain, and then like where can you start learning. Finally we conclude that like what can you do with these CTFs. So let's get started. So the first thing, what CTFs are, and the second one, types of challenges. I have given a like description in my Instagram. Like I have shared a post, so I would be sharing the link. You can check those and getting into like where can you start learning those. Like guys, I suggest you to start with Try Hack Me, which has several rooms, which has a basic room like how which tells you how to access the remote server or remote computers using like using VPN, and then you can try these rooms, which is Nmap, Metasploit, and Burpsuit. These all are like Burpsuit is a like you will encounter many times whenever you do any web application pen testing or like web challenges. Maximum you require this tool Burpsuit, and then Metasploit and Nmap are mostly used in system penetration testing. So these all are the basic things. Starting with this, you can go into like more complex rooms, and you would be having a lot of fun doing all this. And then you can go to Hack the Box, which is like having high level challenges when compared with Try Hack Me. Similarly, you have to connect to VPN, and then you can actually access these labs. There will be challenges and missions. Like I suggest start with challenges and go to missions. So these all will give you a basic exposure to what these information security challenges are like in real world, and then you can start attempting CTFs. Like many people ask me, where can we find or where can we get these notifications regarding these CTFs. Like I tell you to search about CTF Time. So CTF Time is a page where you can mostly find any CTF which is hosted, would be like displayed in this upcoming events column. So you can find and you can participate based on your free time. And then suppose if you are like not so confident after doing all this, like I tell you, if you are able to complete the Hack the Box, then you are so like super cool, man. And if you want to learn, like if you want to do some more things additionally, then you can search for CTF write-ups. So mostly you can find CTF write-ups for those events, CTF events which are completed and not active right now. You can find the write-ups for them, and you can see them, and you can like get to know how to approach that particular problem. And mostly if you want to get into any tech company or tech industry in this information security field, you need to have like they mostly check on these CTFs. So participating in these CTFs and getting good points is like great. And then this is the thing which I want to tell about CTFs. And if you have any doubts or anything additionally you want to know, you can directly ping me on Instagram, or I'll provide the LinkedIn ID in the description. And guys, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.